Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu dispatched Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam gold, still covered within dust, in tanned leather from Yemen. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam apportioned that gold to 4 men: Oina bin Badr, Aqra bin Habis, Zaid Khail, and the fourth one was either Alqama bin Olatha or Amir bin Tufail. One of his companions radiyallahu anhum said, "We deserve this wealth more than them." This news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "You do not consider me a trustworthy, whereas I am the trustworthy of him who is in the heavens." The heavenly news reached me in the morning as well as evening. A man with sunken eyes, swelled cheeks, a protruding forehead, a thick beard, shaven head, and wrapper tugged up, exposing the calves, got up and said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Torment me upon you. Do not I deserve to fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu most than all other people on the whole earth?" He then turned his back and went away. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shouldn't I decapitate him?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Perhaps he is a prayer performer." Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu submitted, "There are a lot many prayer performers who utter what is not in their hearts." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I have not been ordained to watch after cutting open the people's hearts or bellies." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then looked at him while he was going, turning his back, and said, "From amongst his stock, such people will emerge as will recite Allah's book, the Quran, nicely, but it will not pass their throats. They will exit the religion as an arrow exits the game." The reporter says that he thinks he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If I found them, I would kill them as the Thamud were killed." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2449.